Good morning. It's November 4th and I look terrible. And look what I got. I bought a smartphone mini tripod. So maybe I'll try to use this today. I don't know. Okay, so it's 4 o'clock and I'm wandering over to Wood Lake Nature Center to go for a walk. It's gorgeous out. I think it's in the 60s, like the high 60s, which is great for November in Minnesota. Wood Lake Nature Center is basically a park in the middle of Richfield. It's about 150 acres, and there's a lot of hiking trails. And I don't think you can take pets. I know you can't take bicycles, but you can walk. I don't run very fast, but maybe I'll try this. Let's try out this tripod. God, those are some bags under my eyes. Does this work? I don't know. Probably good. Hello. Well, I tried out this tripod at Wood Lake Nature Center, and I like it. It's all right. I'd probably give it like a 3 out of 5 stars. It was $4.99, so the price point it can't be beat. And like you put your smartphone in here, and I don't think you can put too huge a phone in here, but it worked fine on my Amazon Fire phone, so it's just kind of a smallish one, but not too small. I mean, not a small one, not a huge one, medium size. And the nice thing about it is it's got these mini bendy legs on the mini tripod, so you can like wrap it around poles and stuff and like try to record it with that. The only thing I don't like is this joint is kind of not so sturdy, so it's alright. I'd buy it again for the price point. You could probably get better quality for a little more, of course. And so that's pretty much it for today. I probably won't post tomorrow because I'll be going to Chicago tomorrow, so I'll post like the day after, like day 5 and day 6, and so see you later. Goodbye.